What's going on? Not really sure how long I'm going to be able to record, to be honest. I've got the energy of a gnat. Bloody flus. Had me in bed for a few days. Thought I'd better come out, walk the fur baby and get a bit of air myself. Oh God. You're a lovely boy. It's actually quite nice to get out and get some air. That is a big dog down there. What is it, a deer? Can't see no owner. No, I think it's a dog. Terrible. I need to get some walking glasses. Oh yeah, there's the owner. Come on, puppy. Don't look like he's got a lead for himself. He's trying to keep on with it. It ain't good at all. Right, bud, come here. I'm so full of cold, man. Right, no pulling please, bud. Come here. Come to me. To me. God, your ears are just not working at all at the moment, are they, mate? Oh, God. Looks like I'm crying where my eyes are streaming. Do not think I'm going to bother picking that lead up, so hopefully no one comes the way we're going, because it is just mean. This way. Mushrooms. This way. Good boy. He's friendly. He's just too friendly. Yeah. Come on, bud, this way. That's all right. They were nice enough people, but I never understand why people don't have their dogs on the lead if they're not friendly. Weird. I'm just not letting Bud off because I don't fancy shouting too much where I've got a sore throat. Oh God. Totally soaked the lead. Excuse my huffing and puffing. What is that? A tree in there? It can't be a tree that colour. What is? Can't really see it through the other bushes, but it is a red tree. Beautiful. Someone just thought they'd pull a post out, which is great. Oh my God, someone must have driven through here last night. Why people have got to be so destructive is beyond me. Oh, just had to pick up a poo parcel. Probably not going to film anymore now because it's a bit difficult holding everything. I'm not really sure how many videos I'm going to be able to do this week. Bud, stop pulling me please. But whatever you get up to, I hope you have a good week.